Model, 2016 Vauxhall Vivaro 2701.6 CDTI BT, 120, S Eco L1H1 needs smaller turbo no VAT. Body, silver, panel van. Mileage, 112496. MOT, the 7th of November 2024. Engine, 1598 cc 1.6120 PS BITURBO S, SE5. Transmission, 6-speed manual, front-wheel drive. Mechanical summary, starts perfect. Runs perfect. Small turbo needs replacing. This is a twin-turbo version. The large turbo is fine-grain gearbox, drivetrain, transmission perfect. Condition summary, bodywork is very clean. Interior is very clean. Rear load area is very clean, genuine honest work van. Well looked after van. Features, 1 former keeper, EU status, Euro 5. HPI, clear. Cap retail, £5,795 plus VAT. Click the link in the description for pictures and more info. Alternatively, call or WhatsApp us on 07401199723.